do like to put peanut butter on them versus syrup. I find it's a little healthier. It's currently 5:47 on Wednesday, September 19th. Look how cute Callie is. Good morning, guys. So today I'm going to bring you through my real morning routine. The real one, like what I really do. And like you just saw, that involves waking up at 5:45 in the morning. So I'm a tad tired at the moment. But my first hack for y'all is as soon as your alarm goes off, you need to just pop out of bed. Don't hit snooze, because once you hit snooze once, you know you're gonna end up hitting it like a billion more times. That's a little bit of an exaggeration, but not really. And then my next hack is that before I go to bed, I just put a full glass of water right next to my bed. That way, if I wake up in the middle of the night and I'm like super duper tired, I have water there. But also, when I wake up in the morning, I have been doing this thing where I don't even step out of my bed until I drink that entire glass of water. And you'd be surprised at how much energy that gives you, just like an initial little pop. A little pop right when you wake up because you're drinking so much water. Can we all agree that waking up when it's cold out is so much harder? Like, I'm so cozy, but I don't want to get out of bed, but I know that I have to. You have to. It's like my robe. It's from TJ Maxx. Here's another bonus hack. If you have dogs and you let them outside, which hopefully you do if you have dogs, but if you let them out without a leash, then this thing is so cool. It just lights up and you can put it on their neck. Come here, Rick. And that way, when it's still dark out, because it's very early hours of the morning, you'll be able to see them. I wish you could smell this coffee being made right now. It smells so good. And now we're downstairs waiting for coffee. So I would say that my number 2, 3, I think we're on to my third little hack that I incorporate into my morning is you need to have something that you're super excited about right when you wake up. Like, obviously you have your long-term goals for why you're gonna wake up early, but as far as the immediate, when that alarm goes off at 5:30, 5:45, 6, whatever time it is in the morning, you are going to have something that's immediate to get you out of bed. Like for me, it's my coffee. Literally, after just one sip, I feel so much better. Kind of goes along with my next, which is to immediately also do something productive. Now for me, what I used to do is go sit in the living room and do some work on my computer, not just watch videos, do actual work. But lately what I've been doing is immediately while I'm drinking my coffee, I go curl my hair. Like if I wasn't curling my hair today, or I was straightening it, which takes less time, or just throwing it in a bun or something, then I would probably go on my computer and get some work done, edit a video or something. But as long as within that first like 20 minutes, you do something very productive, is really going to help you to continue waking up early, because you don't feel like you're just wasting your time. If you wake up at 5:45 but then don't start doing anything until 6:45, what the heck was even the point of waking up? You know what I mean? So I immediately start doing my hair so then I don't have to worry about it. Okay, let's go. I gotta take you with me. Also, do you like my robe? Isn't it so nice? It's from TJ Maxx. I forgot about that. So I wasn't going to do my morning routine today for this reason, which I'll show you in a second. But then I was like, you know what? No, this is my real morning routine. So I have to show you what I really do and what's really in my room. And at the moment, that's a ton of cushions. I actually don't think I've announced this officially on my channel yet, but I did purchase a condo, like official. The last time I said it, the closing hadn't happened, but now the closing has happened. I have my keys. It's like official, and I still have like renovations and stuff to do, so I'm not moving in for a little bit, but I purchased this couch. This is not the couch, obviously, these are the couch cushions. So at the moment, they're just kind of taking up my bedroom carpet, but that's okay. They're like super comfy. So when I'm curling my hair and drinking my coffee, I typically like to watch a Netflix show. And normally what I'll do is put on like The Office or Gossip Girl or some show like series that I'm watching or rewatching. But what I've been doing lately instead is put on some sort of a motivational or inspirational video on YouTube. And you'd be surprised, like it totally transforms the rest of my day and like the tone for my day at least, because you know, the first 20 minutes while I'm curling my hair, I'm watching something that's like, yeah, I got this. I can get my goals done. I can get what I need to get done, and it just helps. I have curly hair now and it's light outside, so the lighting is like 10 billion times better. I have a habit of exaggerating and saying things are like in the billions when they're typically not. Okay, so now that my hair is all curly, I'm sorry, I'm like trying to drink coffee as I talk to y'all. That's kind of rude. But now that my hair is done, and my coffee's pretty much gone, I have a little bit more energy. So we're gonna go make my bed. Now, as for making my bed, I think I mentioned this in a hack video a while ago, but I actually tend to not make my bed first thing in the morning and let the sheets kind of be spread out, because what I read is that is really good for your sheets to be able to air out and not be put back on your bed right after you get out of your bed.
Who cares about what is to come? No, I don't fear the night.
Now, another little hack, since I did curl my hair before I go brush my teeth, like I don't want to put it in a ponytail because I don't want it to get ruined or anything. So what I like to do is just take a clip like this, and I just clip my hair like this. That way I'm not putting a hair elastic on it that would mess up my curls, but it is keeping it behind my head for when I brush my teeth and wash my face. My teeth are clean, my face is clean, and it's time to do my makeup. A big hack that I have is when you're doing your makeup and trying to find a video or a show to watch, I would try and stay away from TV shows because it's going to draw your attention away from the mirror and getting ready, and you're going to want to keep watching the screen, you know what I mean? So if you're watching something that you don't actually have to be looking at the screen, like this is just a video of Sam talking, so it's almost like she's talking to me while I'm doing my makeup. It's going to be way easier to get it done quickly because you're not like, you know what I mean? Like you're just focused on your makeup and then you can just listen. So if you want to listen to music instead, or if you want to listen to a podcast, that's perfect. Something that you don't actually have to see what's going on in order to get the benefits of it and enjoy it. So I really do love having these Kodiak cake protein pancakes in the morning for breakfast. And even though they are super quick to make, it literally takes like 10 minutes in total if you're gonna make them in the morning, I do not like to always spend that time doing that, you know what I mean? It does take a little bit and you have to clean up and everything. So what I like to do is actually pre-make them for the week, and then I'll just keep them in the fridge. I wrap them in plastic wrap, and then in the morning all I have to do is pop them in the toaster or pop them in the microwave, put some peanut butter on them, and they're good to go. Which I guess necessarily isn't like a full hack, it's literally just to meal prep your breakfast. It's nothing new. But what I like, it's specific to these Kodiak cakes or any kind of pancakes that you like, but I like doing the protein ones, and you just wrap them up, and in the morning it's super duper quick to make. So they look so good. And I do like to put peanut butter on them versus syrup. I find it's a little healthier. Well, that was scary, but we're good. I do like to put peanut butter on them instead of syrup. I find it's healthier, and like added protein. But also I made them like with dark chocolate chips. So when you put the peanut butter on them, it's like peanut butter and chocolate. It's super good. I'm about to jump into my car, but I just wanted to show you my outfit real quick. I know this is kind of like not the best positioning, but my top is just this white long sleeve top. My friend gave it to me, so I don't know where it's from, but then my jeans are just these black high-waisted jeans from J. Crew. And then my shoes are these pink shoes from TJ Maxx, but they're the brand Steve Madden. All right, so now I really have to get going. If you watched until this part, comment car chats with Kat. Car chats with Kat, because I'm in my car and we're chatting. So comment car chats with Kat if you watch all this part. I think that's all I have for this video. I really need to get my butt to work. So I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.